Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discussing about how we can install Angular tool in our Windows 10 machine. In this video, we discussing step by step for installation of the Angular. First of all, we need to install NODEJS. So we can just move to the NODEJS site. NODEJS, going to go to NODEJS, and we can download the recommended version. First next, SF. We can check NODEJS installed in our system. For that we can move to the folder users, then our user. We can open the command prompt from here. For opening the command prompt, there is a shortcut key is that just press our folder location, enter cmd, just enter it. Then we can check our version by node, then version, then we can check npm version. Then we can install Angular. For that we can go to the Angular website. Get started. We get started. Then npm install g Angular CLI. Then we can create a trial app by using my app name is my app, so we can create as my app test. Would you like to add Angular routing? Here I want to give us no. We can take which style sheet format would you like to use. I take CSS. Then we can move BD. Okay. Then ng. This way we can install the Angular. Here we need to check Node version and npm versions. So I want to wind up my video. If you like this video, kindly like it, subscribe it, and press the bell icon also. Before going to wind up, I want to say something that if you face any issues in the installation time or running the application time, kindly share your issues in comment box. We can discuss it later and we can find a solution for that. If you face any trouble, you can directly comment it in our comment box. In the next video we can create a sample app and we can demonstrate it. So kindly subscribe my channel and like the video also. Steps are shared in our description box, so you can take the steps from there. Okay, then bye bye.